Wait, did AI just say Ethereum will destroy Bitcoin? Yes, that's exactly what's buzzing across the financial world today. According to new AI-driven market models, Ethereum might soon overtake Bitcoin, not just in popularity, but possibly in total market capitalization. For years, Bitcoin has been the king of crypto, the digital gold everyone trusts. But now, artificial intelligence is picking up early signals that a massive shift could be coming, and Ethereum is leading that charge. Let's break down what's really happening and why so many experts are starting to believe that Ethereum could soon dominate the crypto scene. AI doesn't think like humans do. It analyzes trillions of data points, from blockchain activity, developer growth, transaction volume, and even social media trends. When the latest AI model scanned this data, one thing stood out. Ethereum's ecosystem is exploding. Developers are building faster, smarter, and more secure decentralized applications on Ethereum. New tokens, smart contracts, and even entire financial systems are being created on this single network. Bitcoin, on the other hand, remains mostly a store of value, digital gold, with limited innovation on its base layer. That's not necessarily bad, but it means Ethereum's potential for real-world use cases is far greater. AI sees this, and it's adjusting its predictions accordingly. Another major factor? Ethereum's upgrades. After moving to proof of stake, Ethereum became far more energy efficient, reducing its energy consumption by over 99%. That's something Bitcoin still struggles with due to its proof of work mining model. And with future updates like dank sharding and layer 2 scaling solutions, Ethereum's transaction speed is expected to reach mind-blowing levels, potentially over 100,000 transactions per second. Compare that to Bitcoin's roughly 7 transactions per second, and you can see why AI models are flagging Ethereum as the network of the future. Now let's talk about money flow. Institutional investors, the big players, have quietly started diversifying their crypto holdings. According to on-chain data, large wallets that were once 100% Bitcoin now hold increasing amounts of ETH. AI systems interpret these wallet movements as a clear indicator of shifting confidence. When big money starts rotating into a new asset, it's usually the first sign of a massive trend. And here's the wild part. AI forecasts suggest that if Ethereum maintains its current growth rate, it could reach 70% of Bitcoin's market cap by mid-2025, and possibly surpass it entirely within the next 2 years. But not everyone agrees. Bitcoin purists argue that BTC will always be the number one because of its limited supply. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. They claim that scarcity, combined with global recognition, makes Bitcoin unbeatable. However, AI models don't just look at scarcity. They look at utility, adoption, and innovation. And Ethereum is leading in all three. For instance, the entire world of NFTs, DeFi, decentralized finance, and most blockchain-based gaming runs on Ethereum's network. Even major financial institutions are experimenting with tokenized assets using Ethereum technology. That's not something Bitcoin can currently match. Now, let's talk numbers. AI sentiment trackers have shown a sharp increase in positive forecasts around ETH since early this year.
Search volume, trading activity, and social media engagement around Ethereum have all surged. Even Google's AI trend analysis shows Ethereum gaining global attention in regions where Bitcoin once dominated. If this continues, ETH could easily double its value before Bitcoin makes its next major move. So, what's driving this AI optimism? It's simple: utility, scalability, and innovation. Bitcoin remains the world's safest digital store of value, but Ethereum has become the foundation of Web3, and AI sees the future being built there. Of course, the crypto market is unpredictable. AI predictions are based on data, not destiny. Anything from regulatory changes to global economic shocks can alter the path. But right now, data-driven models are painting a clear picture. Ethereum is on an unstoppable trajectory. AI even predicts that by the next bull run, Ethereum could hit new all-time highs and possibly challenge Bitcoin's dominance for the very first time. If that happens, it would mark a historic shift. The day when the world's biggest decentralized computer finally surpasses the world's first decentralized currency. So the question is, are we standing at the edge of a new crypto revolution? Will Ethereum truly dethrone Bitcoin, or will BTC fight back stronger than ever? One thing is certain: AI doesn't make emotional predictions. It follows the data. And the data says Ethereum's future looks brighter than ever. If you want to stay ahead of these AI-powered crypto forecasts, make sure to subscribe to Tradeverse, where we bring you daily insights, predictions, and market updates powered by AI built for smart investors like you. Your future in crypto starts here, only on Tradeverse.